belajar bahasa Inggris. Bahasa Inggrisnya kita mesti mendengarkan cerita. Siapa yang sudah siap mendengarkan cerita? Iya, kita dengarkan ceritanya baik-baik ya. Judul cerita kita hari ini, Sonny has to learn. Si jago harus belajar. Nah, sudah siap ya? Tante buka bukunya. Pengarangnya adalah Chandra Wijaja. Nah, kita mulai ceritanya. Ira and Ari like the circus. They had many friends, even two monkeys. Every day was fun. They learned new tricks and games. Ira dan Ari senang berlibur di tempat sirkus. Di sana mereka bermain dengan banyak teman, bahkan dengan monyet. Mereka juga mencoba-coba alat sirkus. Let's race, said Sonny. He got on the circus unicycle. It had only one wheel. Riding it was very difficult. Ira and Ari fell down. Sonny was the best. Ayo lomba sepeda sirkus, ajak Sonny. Ira dan Ari mencoba sepeda roda satu itu. Ternyata susah sekali. Mereka sering jatuh. Wah, Sonny yang paling jago. Kasihan Ira dan Arinya jatuh. How about this, asked Sonny. He was walking on the big circus ball. Everyone tried, but again, Sonny was the best. Ayo lomba naik bola, kata Sonny. Sonny berjalan di atas bola besar. Anak-anak lain mencoba, tapi Sonny yang paling jago. Wah, lihat tuh, pada berjatuhan. Who can walk on a rope, asked Sonny. The other children fell, but Sonny could do it. He was still the best. Siapa yang bisa jalan di atas tali? Tanya Sonny. Anak-anak mencobanya, tetapi semua jatuh sebelum sampai ujung. Lagi-lagi Sonny yang paling jago. Let's play charades, said Ira. You will try to guess what I am. She put her finger beside her head. Then she started hopping. Kita main kuis tebak gerak saja, kata Ira. Aku memainkan gerakan, kamu menebak. Ira membaca kartu, lalu melompat-lompat dengan tangan di telinganya. Wah, ngapain Ira ya? That's easy, said Sonny. You are a rabbit. Now it's my turn. Ira gave Sonny a card. He looked at it. Where is the picture? He asked. Gampang, kelinci, seru Sonny. Sekarang aku. Ira memberikan kartu tebakan kepada Sonny. Sonny membolak-balik kartu itu. Mana gambarnya? Tanya Sonny. Read the text, said Ira. But I can read, said Sonny. Ira was surprised. Sonny was always better than them, but he couldn't read. Baca perintahnya, Son, kata Ira. Aku kan tidak bisa membaca, kata Sonny. Ira sangat heran. Sonny itu anak yang paling hebat, tetapi tidak bisa membaca. Wah, Sonny. Sonny want to play something else. Who can skip the most? He asked. But the others were tired. Let's race and read story, said Ira. Ayo main lompat tali saja, ajak Sonny. Ah, capek. jawab Ira. Kita istirahat dulu. Anak-anak istirahat sambil membaca buku. Satu anak membacakan, yang lainnya mendengarkan. They took turns reading to each other. But Sonny couldn't read. He was no longer the best. Is reading easy? He asked. Semua mendapat giliran membaca, kecuali Sonny. Sekarang, Sonny bukan yang paling jago. Ia tidak bisa membaca. Belajar itu sulit ya? Tanya Sonny. Wah, belajar membaca nggak sulit kok, Son. Nah, selanjutnya, yes, said Salma. We can play school and teach you how to read. The children were happy this time. They were teaching Sonny something new. Gampang kok, Son, kata Salma. Ayo, kita belajar membaca dan bermain sekolah-sekolahan. Anak-anak senang. Mereka mengajarkan membaca kepada si jago sirkus. Wah, akhirnya teman-teman mengajarkan Sonny untuk belajar membaca. Wah, selamat belajar membaca ya, Sonny ya. Nah, selesai cerita kita hari ini tentang Sonny has to learn. Si jago harus belajar. Wah, sampai bertemu lagi minggu depan. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.